let's watch this particular question. This is the picture that we got. Okay, this is the picture. I'm gonna close it. Now, Andreas, this Laffy wants pigmentation removed from her cheeks. Yes, I don't understand. What frequency spray should I suggest, and what aftercare should a dark skin for such a dark skin? Now, basically you treat any skin type, even I think this is type 5, because if it were 6 it'd be so dark it'd actually be quite difficult to see it in the at night. And but you actually treat it in the same way. Now the frequency, what she means is the power level, it's not the frequency. I'd say between around about 5 and 10, but then it's quite important that the speed of movement is quite well controlled, because otherwise it's going to go too deep. But it's quite easy to use it at that power level in spray operation on the cheeks in order to do a what do you call it, the removal of the epidermis. This is what we're actually doing. We're doing a number of times. But you treat this skin type like any other skin type. Let's listening to this voice message.
Hello, Andreas. I've got to get back to this lady, and I'm not hearing anything from you. I know you're busy, but I do need some help, and I do need it quite quickly because she wants to make an appointment, and I don't want to do anything that could cause pigmentation. I know you said that with the beauty tech we can work on darker skin, so please just give me feedback on what I should do. Thank you. Bye.
So perfect. So now it's just a spray mode on both cheeks, and the good thing about plasma treatments is that you're not really worried about the skin type. So basically, yes, that's the answer. In that occasion, I was actually flying out from Colombia, so it was a bit difficult for me to answer. It's very difficult for me, Andreas. What should I do to get a reply? Just wait. Unfortunately, we have many events going on. I have a client has experience. I have a client no one has experience on darker skin. Don't worry, you can use the beauty tech on any dark skin and any skin type, even 5 and 6. So it's no problem. What worries me is what happens when I have a serious problem. A week is too long to wait for an answer. So once again, we cannot actually answer immediately in most occasions, especially with the number of customers that are asking our help, so much so that at the moment we're only serving customers. We're not serving just unfortunately random questions from the internet. Now, yes, and then I replied that we were a bit busy with other things, and we should have actually what do you call it, go back to her as soon as we could. So I'm not going to go in there. I've actually replied to that because what she actually said, that I replied to Nora, which is one of our distributors. Basically, what I replied in there, I can have you to listen to it, but basically we prioritize our distributors first, the clients second, and if we have time to answer any questions from the internet, we will, because basically the first point of contact from our customers are the distributors when they buy it from distributors. Somebody asked us, who's our distributor in South Africa, because his customer is from South Africa, is Premier Beauty, I think it's called. And so if you wish to know who represents us in South Africa, that's the name. And yes, so I think this goes for the entire answer to the question.